Good morning children, welcome to the online class 25. In the last class, we discussed about the force and the pressure in the contact forces. So example of the contact forces, in the definition I explained you. Non-contact forces we just started, and only one thing we discussed about is that magnetic force. So without the direct contact of the objects, some of the object will be getting to the force. For example, bar magnet, like poles will be repel each other, unlike poles will be attract each other. So that is called what? The magnetic force. So today we are going to discuss continue of the non-contact force only. Second, electrostatic force. What is mean by electrostatic force? In our regular life also we can see, we just combing hair. That comb if it be keep nearby any objects or paper means it will be attract in them. Okay, so here what will happen? Electrostatic means the electrons will be transferred from one charged particles object to the other charged or uncharged particles. Okay, so here what happened? The force exerted by the charged body. That means examples I told you, the comb we rubbing we are combing our hair. In our hair, the oil it will be have the electrons in it. That electrons will be convert to, means that electrons will be carried by the comb, that electrons will be sharing to the other object. So that the object will be touch the papers or whatever the object get touching to the another charged particles or uncharged objects. So whatever in that charged or uncharged particles, the electrons will be transferred there. That is called what? Electrostatic force. Other example, the straw rubber with the paper. The straw will be rubbed in the paper means in that papers only the electrons will be present. If we keep on rubbing means what will happen? In this electrons will be transferred to the straw. Okay ma? So the straw will be start to move. So here without any direct contact, only the electrons will be sharing to charged particles to other charged particles or uncharged particles. Next example also we can say the balloon rubbed with the paper, even the balloons also. So once will be rubbed with the paper, the same balloon will be kept nearby the other objects means it will be attract that object. So that is the electrostatic force. Here the electrons will be participating in this force. There is no other contact with the one object to the other object. The particles, which particles means the charged particles will be here. The electrons will be changed from the charged particles to other charged particles or uncharged particles. That is called what? Electrostatic force. Next we are going to discuss about the in non-contact force only, gravitational force. What does mean by gravitational force? For example, we see from the tree the fruit will be ripen, after it will be fallen automatically. Okay, the things we will be thrown from the terrace to the down, automatically will be come down and reach the surface. What is the force in that? That is called what? Gravitational force. Some of the gravity. The force is called gravity. That will be put the object. Non-contact force is gravitational force. Example, I told you the ball, the things, any things will be fall down from the top to the bottom. How it is automatically coming down, okay? And the fruits will be fall on the surface from the tree to the surface. How will it be happen? And then in our solar system, all the planets around the sun, how it will be keep on rolling on the in their orbitals. So this is not because of the gravity. So what is mean by gravity? Is a type of force. Okay, the object will be attracted by the because of the gravity. That is called attractive force due to the gravity. For example, our Earth having the enormous amount of the gravity. Okay, so that gravity only will pull the objects. For example, falling the force from the trees to the down. Okay, so that is called what? Because of the gravity, it will be attract the object, then it will be reach on the surface. And in our body also, because of the gravity of the earth surface to our body, we can walk properly. You didn't know. So these are called what? Gravitational force. So examples we can say, in our textbook they have given 86 page number gravitational force. You know that a coin or a pen falls to the ground when it slips off your hand. By slip, the things will be fall on our surface. Leaves and the fruits also fall to the ground when they get detached from the plant. Have you ever wondered why it is so? When the coin is held in your hand, it is at rest. As soon as it is released, it begins to move downwards. It is clear that the state of motion of the coin undergoes a change. So what change happened here? It will start to move. And instead, if it be fell also, it will reach the surface. How the earth can be able to pull that? Because of the earth having the enormous amount of the force. That force is called gravity. Can this happen without the force acting on it? Definitely it cannot be. Which is this force? Objects or things falls towards the earth. So what does mean by gravitational force means? Object can be towards move to the earth. That is called what? Gravitational force. This force is called the force of gravity or just gravity. This is an attractive force. Other name of the gravitational force is called what? Attractive force. It will be attract the object, then only the object can be able to come to that place. The force of the gravity acts on an object. So this kind of force will be act on the object. Like how the force will be act on the object, like that even the gravity also act on the object. Water begins to flow towards the ground as soon as open a tap. So once we start to open the tap, what will happen? As soon as the water will be going fastly, running fastly. Even the water dams also they are opening, no? So fast it will be coming there. Okay, so water will be running in there. So these are called what? Because of the gravity. Water in the rivers flows downwards due to the force of gravity. So how the water will be come down means because of the downward force of downward gravity of the earth, it has coming down. So gravity is not the property of the earth alone. So it is not the property of the earth. It is one of the property of the earth. In fact, every object in the universe, whether small or large, exert a force on every other object. So that object will be small or big. So every object has some of it has exert some of the gravity upon it, some of the force upon it. This force is known as gravitational force. Next is understood what is meant by gravitational force. So without direct contact, our earth having some of the force, that is gravity. That gravity will pull or push the object. That's what the fruits or the vegetables will be fall on the surface. Okay, the planets around the sun. So everything because of the gravity force in our earth. So next topic we are going to see the pressure. What does mean by pressure? Now, pressure means what? We have to be give some of the extra amount of the force upon the object. So that is called what? Pressure. But also in particular time period, in particular area we have to be give. For example, our thumb is there. Press anything in that on the wall. Okay, so that is what in that particular area we are putting the extra force upon the object. That is called what? Pressure. So the force acting on a unique area of the surface. In particular area, in particular place, the amount of the pressure, the force apply on that area in a particular unit type. That is called what? Pressure. The force acting on a unique area of the surface is called pressure. Take out the textbook, page number 87. You have learned in the class 7 that strong winds during a storm or a cyclone can blow away even the rooftop. When the more cyclone times, the more wind will become, more amount of the pressure will be upon the object. So what will happen? The rooftop will be fly. Is no? And then like that, the more because of the more wind pressure, the rooftop will be fly from that place. You also learn that winds and the cyclones are caused by the differences in the air pressure. So here how this happens means because of the air pressure in our atmosphere. Is there any relations between the pressure and the force? Now find out. Try to push a nail into the wooden plank by its head. The nail we just put on the wall, we just press it there. It won't be able to press it there because it's very hard in the wall and the iron nail. So we need the extra amount of the force in a particular place. So in that place we have to be hit by hammer. Then what will happen? The nail will be go inside the wall. Is it no? So there in a particular surface area we have to give the more amount of the force means in a particular time period, that is called what? Pressure on the object. Okay, so that's the example for that. and then try to cut vegetables with the blunt knife and then with the sharp knife. Take the blunt and the sharp knife, try to cut the vegetables or any other things in that. So which one is very sharp, in that knife we can be able to cut the things. So in that sharp is called what? Extra amount of the pressure we are getting upon in that object. Okay. So do you get the feeling that the area over which the force is applied pointed into the nail plays a role in making this task easier. So what is mean by the pressure means the force acting on a unit area of the surface is called what? Pressure. So in a particular area we have to give more amount of the force in particular time period. So that is called what? Pressure. Pressure is equal to, how to write pressure means equal to force into on particular area on which it's will be act on the force will be act on the object in a particular area in particular time period. That is called what? Pressure. So next topic is we are going to discuss in the pressure exerted by the liquids. How the pressure will be exerted on the liquids or the gas or the solid things. What are the effects will be happen in upon the liquids and the gases. So next, pressure exerted by the liquid and the gases. Any liquid things or the gas things or the liquid means like a water or juice or oil things. Gases means like a different kinds of air. So if we keep in the liquids in the containers, depending to their height, the force will be exerted upon the columns. Okay. So till the water will be till this much. Here it will be apply the force upon the nails. Here the water level will below the force. So there is no changes in the container. But here not like that. The height of the liquid will be more here. Upon the liquid only if you give the force of pressure or the force applied upon the object means what will happen? The pressure will be affected in the liquid. Then the height of the liquid will be increased in that. So here what will happen? The pressure exerted on the liquid. Okay, so automatically the level of the liquid will be high. So that is called what? Pressure exerted by the liquid. So here the liquid and the gases exert pressure on the walls of the container. How we come to know means on the walls of the containers we can see the increasing amount of the water. Okay, so that is water bottle. You fill the water in that in such a level, and then where the liquid is there, upon that you just press that water bottle. What will happen? Where you are pressing that place will be become too small. The size will be changed then. Okay, the shape will be changed. Sorry. So what will happen? That place liquid will become to top of the water bottle. So here what will happen? If the pressure will be shown on the walls of their containers. And then, so this is the depending on the height. One more container. Fix the balloon here and give the pressure upon the object. So here what will happen? Here if we push the balloon means the air will be moved continuously equally for all the sides. So here what will happen? Size the containers. The side of the containers, the volume will be increased here. The height of the liquid will be increased. This is okay. So here the pressure will be exerted all the equal size. Next container, take the container, put the holes in all the sides. Okay. So all the sides will means equal distance. If you push means from all the holes the water will be leak in an equal distance. Okay. So this is equal amount of the pressure. If you give means equal amount of the distance the water will be leak in that. So this is all this called pressure exerted by the liquid and the gases in there. So next topic, what is mean by atmospheric pressure? So what is mean by atmospheric pressure means we know that there is an air all around us. In our atmosphere, air will be around us. So the envelope of the air is known as atmosphere. So where the air will be covered upon us in our environment, that place is called atmosphere. So the atmospheric air extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. So the air will be present up to from the surface to the earth. Some of the height only will be present. So The pressure exerted by this air is known as the atmospheric pressure. For example, from our surface of the earth to till 15 kilometers, the air will be present means that is called what? This place is called what? Atmosphere. So here what will be present? Different kinds of air will be present. So that air will be envelop our surface, means that our environment. That is called what? Atmospheric pressure. We know that pressure is force per unit area. So in that particular area, how much of the air pressure is there? That is called what? Atmospheric pressure. Okay, so in that particular unit area, the area will be covered by the sum of the different kinds of air. For example, atmosphere. So that is called atmospheric pressure. So in this class, we discuss about the contact forces and the non-contact forces, and the examples we have discussed, and then last topic, how the pressure exerts on the liquid and the gases and the air. So all this topic you have to refer in your textbook, and whatever I told you in the previous class, the activities given in your textbook, that is from the page number 85, activity 7.6, 7.7 and then 7.8. So all the activities is very easy. Expect you know that you have to do in that. So because of the inconvenient time, in the portions they have deleted in that. Not deleted, you have to do in a home practical like that only. Okay. So that's it for this lesson. And for this lesson notes, I'll send through the WhatsApp group. Thank you, children.